Alright everyone, in today's video, I want to bring you another unlocking tutorial. This time I'm going to teach you how to remove the pattern lock from your Samsung S24 for those of you who forgot your password and can't remember it anymore. Just a reminder, this procedure will erase everything that's stored in your phone's memory. In some cases, you need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files, or anything like that, okay? So try it both with and without the cable, and whichever way works for you, leave it in the comments to help other people as well. You can leave it on this screen or on the emergency screen, it doesn't matter. I usually leave it on this screen. So what are you going to do? You're going to press the volume down and the power buttons together. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, let go of the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode, okay? I'll show you here to make it easier for you to do it there, alright? So let's get started. Without the cable, right? If it doesn't work, then I'll plug in the cable and repeat the process here. Hold down, volume down, and power until the device restarts, just like we told you. It's important for you to pay attention to when your device is restarting. Did it restart? Release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, quickly release the power button and keep holding the top button, okay? The volume up button. Keep holding the volume up button until it enters this mode here, which didn't require connecting the cable. Now we're going to scroll down to the fifth option where it says IP data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down with volume down and confirm with the power button. Let's wait for it to enter this next screen so we can continue with the unlocking process. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, our number will be in the description, okay? Remember that this procedure also works for some other Samsung models. So once you get to this screen, just confirm with the power button. Here, your device is already being unlocked, formatted, and restored to its original factory settings. It will come back without that default lock screen password. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.